Welcome back, everybody, to Point Marina and Miami Boat Ramps, the greatest show on earth. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are at Point Marina. And here we got a big boy pulling in, and he's got himself a little sideways. We already know a lot of times that'll cause a little mischief. He's gonna try and get himself straightened out. At least he's backed all the way up to try and give himself a real fighting chance here. I'm not sure exactly what he's doing. So I guess we're just going to completely abandon that attempt and try and completely reset this. So Cap's making his approach. He's finally got himself straightened back out, but I'm pretty sure he's trying to go to the port side dock, which is on the left. I mean, his lines are there, his wife is there, the fenders are there, but for some reason, he looks like he's going to the starboard dock. There's got to be miscommunication here somewhere, because Wifey is definitely looking for a port dock. Whoa, bro. He's backing back out. Oh, careful. Might want to get off that gunnel. So Wifey wisely decides to take a seat. I mean, at least everybody's smiling still. A lot of times, things like this can get a little high stress. So Cap's going to reline it up one more time. But man, he's making a lot of work for himself. The more turns you put into any of this stuff, the more I'm turning that wheel, the more difficult it gets. Especially with a triple motor or a twin motor boat like this. A lot of times it's easier to do this stuff only with throttle, without steering. And he's got a correct angle this time. Are we going to get it on? This is the third attempt. Wifey's looking to go for the leap. Here she goes, and she's off. And my man is finally going to get this one put up. But it looks like the 3 attempts is going to cost him because it's starting to rain now. If you'd hit on the first attempt, they probably could have done this dry. Instead, they're about to get soaked. And the rain has arrived here at Black Point. No, that's not sending us away. I mean, heck, some of the best action we see at the ramps is when it starts raining. All of a sudden, everybody tries to come back in, and people start rushing a little bit and not paying as much attention as they should. Oh, our guy's just going to go ahead and hit the dock. He's got the pole, but he's still in gear, so he's going to have to let it slide off. And misses are definitely worse in the rain, because now he's got to reset up in the rain, and the whole process takes a little longer. But, I mean, let's be honest, this crew's soaked already, so it's not that big of a deal. But he's got the miss, the slide, and we're going to go ahead and go for attempt 2. Probably going to need to back all the way out on this one, bro, unless you want to go to the starboard dock on your right. Which it looks like you're drifting that way anyway. I would just take that one, man. But he's bound and determined. He's going to hit this other dock against the wind and current in the rain. Brave soul. I mean, that's what you call somebody who's not a quitter. So he's going to go ahead and make his turn back in, but man, you're probably still not setting up right. There you go. Back it all the way out. If we're determined we're going to hit that port dock, let's just do it. You know his girl right now probably hates him. I mean, he's at least sitting under the T-top semi-dry. She's just standing out here holding lines, getting soaked. Making the turn. He's still kind of far out, but you might as well just keep the turn going, bro. Get the bow up there. Let her go for the toss. She looks ready to do it. And then walk it up from there. And she's holding off for a second. Go for it. And the toss doesn't work that way. You've got to hold one end of the line to make the toss successful. Cat put it in forward for a second, was going the wrong way. We're back into reverse. Just going to back into the dock. And he'll get the... No, we still miss. Once again, the rain can just exaggerate everything. Here we go. Double pull. And they nail it at the last second. And of course, one of the other problems we see, as soon as the rain starts coming, if Black Point's ramp's not slick enough already, it's worse now. Being stuck on the boat in the rain is not a whole lot of fun sometimes, but I'll tell you what, being stuck on the ramp in the rain is probably even less fun because you'd already mentally checked yourself out. It's raining, you got the boat on the trailer, you thought your day of boating in the rain was done, only to find out she just doesn't want to let go yet. And the boat's going to keep you down there a little bit longer. So our crew's getting in the truck. This is a strange approach. Usually we see people try and get a little weight on the tongue. But our guys, nah, we're just going to get in the truck, bro. We're done being rained on. And that approach isn't going to get it done either. And our crew, who decided to get in just a few seconds ago, quickly realizes they're going to be back out. So we're going to load these three guys either on the tailgate of the truck or in the bed of the truck probably, and see if we can get a little weight on it and try and get this thing out of here. Or maybe we're not. Whoa, going backwards, bro. That's where you got to be careful. He is now sliding back down the ramp. Things could get interesting here. Bro, you're going to have to be careful on this one. Now that you're sliding backwards, you probably... Oof, this is just a tricky one. Here you either go backwards, let the boat float a little bit, take a little pressure off yourself, try and get a running start. But let's get the boys. There we go. One of the boys has got it figured out. Vamos, boys. Let's get this thing rolling. So we're going to go with, we got three in the bed. This guy's going to get in the truck, it looks like. Or is that our driver? I can't tell from this angle. It's a little tough. And the rain starts to come down harder. It's interesting to see the fish jumping right next to the boat as well. Ah, this may do it. Couple people in the bed, and everything's all good. And the rain's really coming down now, so I'm assuming they're going to get out of here. And I'll tell you what, with it coming down like this, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where Man and Machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.